Wicknell Chivhayo has revealed that he has moved on after divorcing Sonia earlier this year. The controversial businessman posted a picture of him and the new woman in his life while covering her face, standing close to a private jet. It's unclear where they are headed, but he captioned the picture, "All I need in this life of sin is me and my girlfriend. Merry Christmas to you and your family from us. Much love from the biggest boss that you've seen thus far." On the other hand, his ex-wife Sonia posted a Christmas picture with her 2 kids without Wicknell. The new girlfriend's name has been identified as Lucy Lulu Mutake by the online publication Zimkalebs. Chivhayo has been known for gifting over 20 musicians and other celebrities vehicles and cash worth over $2.5 million this year, 2024.
But hold up, it is not allowed for you to be having another woman when you are still legally married. When you are still legally married. So what this means is that the divorce of Wicknell Chivhayo might have been done in secret, and it has been finalized. Why do I say this? Because a few days ago, as I was scrolling through the internet, I found a video of Sonia Madzikanda, the former wife of Wicknell Chivhayo, talking about Ben 10. And she was asking the question to the person who asked, "Can I be your Ben 10?" And she was asking, "What do you bring to the table?" What this means is that Sonia is now back into the dating world, and she can actually be in a relationship. Yeah, so that is the update of what we have now. I will give you more updates as they come, and ciao, ciao.